In the heart of the wild, where the sun rises over endless savannas and dense, tangled jungles, two of nature's most magnificent predators reign supreme: the lion and the tiger. These big cats, iconic and awe-inspiring in their own right, have captured human imagination for centuries. Their stories are woven into our myths, legends, and even our dreams. But beyond their regal appearances and legendary reputations, lions and tigers represent two distinct paths of evolution, each uniquely adapted to dominate their respective realms. Let's begin with the lion, often referred to as the king of the jungle. Though in truth, lions are creatures of the open grasslands and savannas of Africa. The first sight of a lion pride at rest is unforgettable. Golden fur gleaming in the sun, powerful bodies sprawled in the shade, their calm demeanor belying the power coiled within. Lions are social cats, living in groups known as prides, which can consist of a dozen or more females, their cubs, and a coalition of males. This social structure is rare among big cats and gives the lion a unique place in the animal kingdom. In a pride, lionesses do much of the hunting, working together in strategic, coordinated assaults on prey. They target large herbivores, wildebeests, zebras, and buffaloes. Their teamwork allows them to take down animals much larger than themselves, a testament to the power of cooperation. The males, meanwhile, defend the pride's territory, warding off intruders and rival coalitions. When a new coalition of males takes over a pride, they may kill any existing cubs, ensuring that only their own offspring will be raised. This behavior, harsh as it may seem, is rooted in the instinct to pass on their genes. A lion's roar is another symbol of its dominance. This thunderous call, which can be heard up to 5 miles away, serves as both a warning to rivals and a rallying cry to members of the pride. It's a sound that echoes across the savanna, a reminder of the lion's authority and presence. Tigers, in contrast, embody the spirit of solitude and stealth. Native to the forests, grasslands, and swamps of Asia, tigers are the largest of all big cats. Each tiger is a solitary ruler, patrolling a vast territory that can span miles. Unlike lions, tigers do not form social groups. Instead, they rely on their own strength, cunning, and camouflage to survive. The tiger's coat is a marvel of evolutionary design. Its bold black stripes break up the outline of its body, rendering it nearly invisible among the shadows and tall grasses. This camouflage is crucial, for the tiger's hunting style depends on stalking and ambushing prey. Patience is the tiger's greatest weapon. It will move silently through the undergrowth, inching closer and closer until, in a sudden burst of speed and power, it lunges at its target, often a deer or wild boar. Tigers are also powerful swimmers, a trait that sets them apart from many other big cats. They will often cross rivers or cool off in ponds, and in places like the Sundarbans, a vast mangrove forest straddling India and Bangladesh, they have adapted to a semi-aquatic lifestyle. These tigers have learned to prey on fish, crabs, and even livestock, showcasing their remarkable adaptability. Despite their differences, lions and tigers share many similarities. Both are apex predators, sitting at the top of their respective food chains. Their physical features, muscular bodies, sharp retractable claws, and formidable jaws, are perfect for hunting and subduing prey. Their senses are finely tuned to the demands of their environment. Acute hearing, night vision far superior to that of humans, and a sense of smell that can detect prey from great distances. Yet, these magnificent animals face grave threats. Habitat loss, poaching, and conflict with humans have pushed both species toward the brink of extinction. Lion populations have dwindled to a fraction of their former numbers, with only a few strongholds remaining in Africa and a small population in India's Gir forest. Tigers are even more endangered, their population having plummeted by over 95% in the last century. Today, only a few thousand wild tigers remain, scattered across isolated pockets in Asia. Conservation efforts are underway, with dedicated individuals and organizations striving to protect these big cats. Protected reserves, anti-poaching patrols, and community education are all crucial components of the fight to save lions and tigers. In some places, rewilding projects aim to restore these animals to lands where they once roamed. The survival of these species depends not just on science and policy, but on our collective will to ensure that future generations can witness their majesty in the wild. Culturally, lions and tigers have left an indelible mark on human societies. The lion, symbolizing strength, courage, and royalty, appears on coats of arms, sculptures, and national emblems. From the tales of Narnia to the legends of ancient Egypt, lions have been woven into the fabric of our storytelling. Tigers, with their fierce independence and striking beauty, are revered in Asian cultures as symbols of power, protection, and mystery. The Chinese Year of the Tiger is linked to courage and confidence, while Indian mythology tells of the goddess Durga riding a tiger into battle. There is also a fascination with the hypothetical encounter between a lion and a tiger. In reality, their habitats rarely overlap, but in captivity, rare hybrids, ligers and tigons, have been bred, though such practices raise ethical and conservation concerns. In the wild, each animal is the undisputed ruler of its domain. The lion of the African plains, the tiger of the Asian forests. Ultimately, the stories of lions and tigers remind us of the beauty and fragility of the natural world. They are living symbols of wildness, freedom, and the untamed power of nature. As we strive to protect these animals, we are also safeguarding the ecosystems they inhabit and the rich tapestry of life on Earth. In their eyes, we glimpse the ancient, unbroken line of predators that have shaped our world. And in their continued survival, we find hope for the future of all living things.